I chose to reject the cold, one-size-fits-all, patriarchal, colonial frameworks that define quote-unquote mental health in this country. And I refuse to accept an economy built on Black women's trauma. I also refuse to be defined by exploitation or scarcity. I chose to walk away from corporate environments that erased my creativity and insulted my intelligence as I released relationships and roles where my gifts were trivialized. My rebellion manifested the moment I stopped trying to fit into systems that were never built for me and chose instead to build what Black women have always needed: culturally attuned, spiritually sovereign, erotically empowered alternatives to healing, pleasure, and creativity.